Hey everyone and welcome back. Want a complete meeting workflow using Fathom AI free plan? Let me show you how to capture, process, and act on every call without spending a dime. First, connect Fathom to your calendar. Choose Zoom or Google Meet. Fathom will automatically join your scheduled meetings, no manual start needed. During the meeting, Fathom records and tracks real-time action items. You can take manual notes and pin specific moments with timestamps. After each meeting, Fathom generates a summary with a keyword cloud and action item list. Now here is your workflow. After every call, open the recap, check the action items for accuracy, mark next steps. As tasks by copying them into your task manager, Todoist, Asana, or even your Notes app. For your 5 best meetings per month, you get premium AI summaries with full action detection. For the rest, you get chronological recaps, still searchable and useful. And each week, by reviewing all Fathom recaps, copy pending tasks and update your project tracker. And that is it. Calendar sync, recording, transcription, action review, and task creation all free. If you build this workflow, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.